So, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it's Abbey Austin. I can actually say it this time without laughing. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Alyssa Edwards and ABH palette. I recently got sent this in the post along with the mirror that you get with it and a big ass fan. Oh, and you also get the eye primer in as well, and I actually love it. The pigment sticks so well to it. It's lovely. So if you would like to see my tutorial with this palette, then please keep watching. So this is the box. So inside we have this palette I'm going to be using today. We also have a ABH and Alyssa Edwards fan and a big mirror. Wait till you see the size of this fan. It's massive. Okay, I'm going to zoom you guys in so you can see. First of all, I'm going to be starting with the Anastasia Clear Brow Gel. Like, see how sometimes when your hair falls, like it goes like this? That doesn't happen. Once they're put down, they are not going to move. So I'm going to take the ABH Brow Wiz in dark brown, just to give me a wee bit of extra hair in the front of my brows. And this does not need to be neat because we're going to clean it up with concealer. So I'm going to take some dip brow in the shade dark brown just to sharpen up the edges a wee bit. And this bit doesn't need to be perfect because we'll clean that up with concealer. Just fills in all the wee sparse bits. And to carve out my eyebrows, I'm going to be using the cream contour kit in the shade Fair. This is why I said at the beginning it doesn't need to be perfect. And then just take a clean fluffy brush, blend those edges. And then we're going to be applying the eye primer right here. Very pigmented. And I'm just going to pat it until it dries for maximum colour payoff. Okay, on to the good bit. So I'm going to be using the Alyssa Edwards palette today. Now I have opened this and it's absolutely beautiful. So this is the palette here. I think today I'm going to be using this one because this is the one that caught my eye in the very first place. And we've got a new black to try as well. So I'm going to take the shade Dream It, which is that really royal blue shade, and I'm just going to pack it right in my crease. And I'm just using a wee pencil brush for this, just to pack it right in my crease. And this method works if you want a really strong colour, rather than going in with your transition shade first. Once we have that rough shape, we're just going to get in and blend right at the edge. And this is what we have so far. To cut the crease I like a really thick concealer. It gives you that nice sharp line. So we'll see how this goes. Ooh. And to blend this edge, we're just going to take a clean brush and just pat the edges. I feel like this is the best way to blend this edge so that it's seamless. And this is what we have so far. I'm just going to go back in with that blue shade, tap off the excess and pack it right in at the corner, just to further blend that edge, like so. I'm going to use the Peaches pigment in the shade 𝑺𝑶𝑪𝑰𝑨𝑳𝑺, if my camera wants to focus. Ooh, okay. That is gorgeous. Don't know if you can see it as well on camera. Okay, I'm going to shoot off camera and do the other eye and then I'll be back. So I'm just going to apply some mascara to my lashes. I don't think I want any eyeliner. I think I just want to keep it like that. And for mascara I'm using Maybelline Lash Sensational. And this mascara is actually so good. There we go. Right, now to move on to my skin because it is so freckly and disgusting. So, and I'm quite pale. My neck's still a wee bit tanned, but... Okay, I'm going to mix my Milani foundation in the shade Creamy Vanilla, and I'm just going to take a damp sponge to blend that all in. I think that's maybe a wee bit pale. That'll do. We can just bronze it up later. And this foundation is very full coverage, which I love. I'm just going to take that foundation and go around my eyebrows a wee bit, just so the foundation doesn't go on my eyebrows. And you don't want to do it too thick or it'll look like you've carved out the top of your eyebrows as well. I've made that mistake plenty of times. Just lightly go over it. Onto my forehead. I've not mixed as much in my porcelain shading because it's making me way too pale. And for anybody wondering, this is the ABH sponge, which is a bit dirty. What I want to try is the ABH stick foundation, so I'm just going to try it on top of my foundation. And I'm going to take the shade Cool Beige, I think. Yeah, I'm going to do that. At the bits where I need extra coverage. Oh jeez. And I'm going to blend that out with my sponge. Now, I've not actually used this combo, but we will see, we will see. That just added that wee extra bit of coverage that I needed in my cheeks. And I do apologise, I have a slight cold because Scotland's weather is so temperamental. It was sunny a couple of weeks ago and now it's pouring the rain, which is fun. And to contour, I'm going to take the stick foundation in the shade Tan. I'm just going to apply that right to the hollows of my cheeks, just for a wee bit of bronze, and drag it up slightly. And round my forehead, down the sides of my nose a wee tiny bit, under my chin, my lip, sorry, and then a wee bit under my chin. I'm going to blend that out using the ABH brush A30, A30, whatever you got. And don't drag down because that will leave your contour looking muddy. You want to keep it right above the hollow of your cheek. And down the nose, right at the tip. Under my lip. Under my chin. It does dry pretty fast, so you need to work slightly quicker than usual. I think this might be better using a sponge because it dries pretty fast. That's matching me a wee bit better now. So I'm just going to set my face with the ABH contour kit. I'm going to use the first shade to set under my eyes. And I'm just going to take a big fluffy brush and pat on. I'm just going to set the bits where I get oily, which is my chin, my nose, down the sides of my nose, and my top lip, and just a wee bit on my forehead. Okie dokie. And I'm just going to take this shade, I think, to bronze up my cheeks a wee bit. Ooh. And a wee bit on my neck because I don't want a pale neck. Just went a wee bit too dark, so just pat it with a sponge. And that should be fine. And add a wee bit to your forehead, down the sides of the nose, the tip of your nose. I have done my makeup totally backwards. I've not even done under my eyes yet. Right, I'm going to do it under my eyes. I'm just going to go into the shade Dream It, which is the royal blue. And just smoke out my lash line. It looks crazy just now, but just trust the process. And then taking a big fluffy brush, I'm just going to blend that right out. And taking that big fluffy brush again, just to blend that right out. It's actually easier without a mirror. And I'm just going to add some mascara to my bottom lashes. Trying not to get it all over my face. So I'm just going to use the Revolution Pro Fix just to spray my face. And then I'm going to take my Doll Light highlighter and Shine Bright. I mean, look at that. And it just gives you that glossy skin. And do the same to the other side. Your Cupid's bow, chin, just a wee bit, and a wee tin man nose. I'm going to be taking Prima Lash in the style Booty, I think these are. And of course I'm going to be taking the Duo Lash Glue. And once you've applied the glue, just let them dry a wee bit. And I find the best way to apply your lashes is just with a pair of tweezers. And you can just look down and pop it right on. If they want to stick. This is how I like to apply them, just like this. And they literally just sit right in your lashes. I'm just going to add a wee bit of extra mascara just to blend my real lashes in. Moving on to lips, I think I'm just going to stick with some sort of nude. I'm going to use matte lipstick by Abbey in the shade Latte. Just a kind of mauvey pink. Nice. So if you guys could please give me a like and subscribe, I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you.